Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make naan. So let's get started. I've got here 1 cup of self-rising flour, some extra flour for dusting, half cup of homemade yogurt, or you can use any plain yogurt or Greek yogurt, some ghee or oil for brushing. Take self-rising flour, add yogurt and mix it using a spoon until it starts to come together and forms a dough. Dust some dry flour on the bench top. Place the dough on the floured surface and knead it until smooth. Use extra dry flour if the dough is sticky. Roll the dough into a ball and flatten it slightly. Divide it into 3 equal sized pieces. Roll each piece into a ball and flatten it. Use a rolling pin and roll each piece into a round shape or an oval shape. To cook the naan, place a non-stick fry pan on medium heat and heat it. You can also use a tawa or a skillet as well. Lightly brush the fry pan with some ghee or oil using a pastry brush. Place the naan and cook it until bubbles start to form on the top. Drizzle some ghee or oil on the top and flip it over. Lightly press the top with a spatula so that it can cook evenly and let it cook for 10 to 15 seconds. Spread some ghee on the top. Flip it over and let it cook for 10 seconds. Flip it again, press it lightly on the top and take it out on a plate. Repeat this process. My naan is ready and you can serve it with some pickle, raita and any curry of your choice. Enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.